China's first public-class ADV Gaokin HAWK 1000 is launched. HAWK 1000's appearance is the embodiment of power and beauty. The body lines are sharp and radical, full of muscle, and the V-shaped twin-cylinder engine has a dizzying visual effect. The LED lighting system, sharp headlights, daytime running lights and front beak shape complement each other, instantly improving the sporty texture. Controlling HAWK 1000 is as comfortable as controlling your own arm. The KYB front and rear shock absorber is full of stability, clear road feel and excellent comfort. The front and rear disc brakes are equipped with Xihu calipers, Bosch dual-channel ABS braking system and TCS traction control system, and the braking is as stable as the mountain. A complete set of electronic control systems ensures stability even in complex road conditions, and the control is very safe. The 997 cubic centimeters V-twin water-cooled engine is like the heart of a beast ready to explode at any moment. The clever design of the 80-degree opening angle perfectly integrates the low center of gravity, low vibration and low heat operation. With a maximum power of 66 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 95 Newton-meters, it can accelerate and climb hills with ease. The Gaokin HAWK 1000 is the new benchmark for liter-class ADVs with its excellent performance, control, ride and appearance. The HAWK 1000 can provide a stable, comfortable and passionate riding experience whether you are traveling long distances or commuting daily.